Hello everyone! Welcome back to Teacher Ching's Reading Garden Teacher Aids. Today, we welcome the letter D. And the sound of the letter D is D. 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 And the song that goes with the letter D is this.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. See me play upon my drum.
Doctor. Doctor. Drum. Drum. Duck. Duck. Doll. Doll. Dog. Dog. Now, let's play our Spot the D game. Okay? Look for the D. Noodles. Candy. Daddy. Ladder. Window. Now let's write the D. Here come our lines. Blue solid line, pink broken line, blue solid line, and the green broken line. D is a tall letter, but this time we start from the broken line. Okay? So, first, we go the pink broken line, we go round and then up and down. Let's do that again. From the red broken line, we go round, up to the blue solid line and down to the blue solid line. One more time. We go round, up and down. Now, you do it twice, but say it while you're writing it, okay? So we go round, up and down. Round, up and down. Well done, everyone. And that's the end of our lesson today. I will see you in the next letter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a heart. Bye!